We're the Smith family, we're having some fun. We're trying Crave Stix. Chocolate hazelnut, no artificial colours or flavourings. They look like a crispy biscuit with chocolate Nutella filling. In the box you get 5 packs with 2 sticks in each pack. They're new and they're by Kellogg's. How do you rate them, Mappa?
I'll give it a 2.
A 2? I give it a 2.
I'll give it a 1, it's weird.
So that's a 5 out of a possible 15, which is a 2 overall.